you see something that looks unusual, right? A 150% top line growth on a company that's generating 40 billion seems unreal. And then you sort of take it, say, well, okay, let me dig further and find out, is this thing just ridiculous? Okay, so let me continue with this story. Anybody remember the CFO's name at Enron? Fastow. Okay, so if you read the chapter in the book, I tell about my chance meeting with him at a conference a few years ago. So when I wrote the book, so this story actually was also in the third edition, where I explain that the fraud was much bigger. Now it's hard to say much bigger when it put the company out of business, it put Arthur Andersen out of business, and it's renowned as the big one. But it was actually much bigger than people realized, because what people, when they think about Enron, they think about the off-balance sheet partnerships that were used to hide losses and hide the amount of debt, and all that is true. But to me, that was a footnote in terms of the big fraud. The big fraud was the top line. The sales grew from 10 to 100 in 5 years. They made up their revenue. That was the story.